Hello everyone. So I decided to get into the backyard chicken hobby. I guess that's how I'm gonna call it. So I just got done building my chicken coop. It's approximately 8 foot wide and 16 foot long. Built out of pressure treated plywood mostly, metal roof panels, and just basically pressure treated decking planks. Well, my idea was number one, get it off the ground. It's about let's say 4.5, 5 feet off the ground, and has plenty ventilation because here in Florida it gets pretty hot in the summertime. And I also left approximately 2-inch gaps from the floor to the side walls. And I did this so I can easily clean this whole chicken coop. Yeah, I watched a bunch of video clips on different design ideas, and the one thing that kind of disturbed me most is that lots of people actually go inside their chicken coops and have to shovel shit. Oh God. And they do shit a lot. Oh, I can't help it. Sorry. Anyway, so I'm not into the whole shit shoveling thing. So I figure I build it so I can easily just clean it with a water hose. So I'm sorry. So anyway, I have to stop laughing here. Yeah, so that's how it is. I think it came out good. Maybe not the prettiest one, but it's functional. And of course I have this little automatic electric gate, which was really dirt cheap. And it even got a protective sensor on the side, so just in case a chicken is sitting into this entranceway, it won't close. It won't crush a chicken. Here's my main access door. 2 latches. I want to see the raccoons open up 2 latches at the same time. Of course, their water and feeding box. Up there's the roosting bars. They got 4 roosting bars parallel and a ladder to climb up. So far they haven't used it, but that's only the second night they had spent in this in their new home. Yeah, one night and they already shitted up the place.
Hey, chicken. Come on in here. Come on in here. Yes. Come on in here.
So yeah, the chickens, I have 4 almost grown ones now. They're actually free roaming. I have about 15 more. They're still babies and they're in an inside cage right now, of course. Can't mix them up with those, and they can't run around either because I have cats running around and they would just love to eat the baby chickens. Oh boy. Yeah, so they are slowly start realizing that's going to be their new home. And we'll see. So here's the my nesting boxes. I just did one big access panel, gate, whatever you want to call it. I built a total of 10 boxes. Maybe an overkill because I read up and researched about one nesting box per 4 to 5 hens. Well, I'm gonna have a total of 20, so 5 boxes probably would be enough, but what the heck. I built a second set on the second level up. So they got a choice. They can use all of them, they can use one, I don't care, that's their choice. I used just a white pine. I decided I want to get just a regular natural wood, as natural as possible, because maybe they like the smell, who knows. Of course they're not ready yet to lay, but I got to get them ready for whenever they are. Again, also easy to clean out. All I have to do is basically just open this big hatch and pull whatever dirt they create outside. Yeah, and there's one sitting under there. Don't know how to get in yet. So I'm right now shooting this video with 2 different cameras. This is actually my old Nikon D3500. Not all that great on video, but I was just trying it on a gimbal. Alrighty, this is now my GoPro. Of course I had to get the waterproof camera set up. So here I'm doing the cleaning. Just take a water hose and just hose it from one end to the other. I don't think it gets any easier than that. So yeah, I can basically spray under the nesting boxes, since all the way around there's a 2-inch gap. Easy to fit the hose under there. And yeah, I would say I don't have to crawl in there. Well, if I have to crawl in there, I don't want to crawl around in chicken shit. I can't stay serious here. And then last thing, cleaning up their little walkway. Because they even shit on that one. Gotta love it. So here again, my nesting boxes. This time, different camera, different angle. I just really want to see if I can capture it pretty good. 5 on the bottom, 5 on top. And yes, they do have a kind of a landing spot inside the box for the upper boxes. And again, the main entrance gate, so I can actually crawl in there and of course tend to their water and their food. Yeah, so here's this little automatic gate. I set it up to open at early morning and close at night. And here's the sensor. You put your hand in there, which simulates a chicken without the feathers. So if the chicken would go in there, it stops and retracts back up. So no chicken crushing going on here. I actually found out from some other gentleman. He actually, on his YouTube channel, he actually said he had a chicken killed by his automatic gate. Because it came down on the chicken as the chicken was sitting there and asleep. And I guess it killed 2 chickens. And I don't think this is going to happen here. And I got 3 cooling fans up there. They're just computer fans running off a solar panel. They don't do much but move the air around a little bit right at the roosting bars. And I add more fans later on. Okay, thank you for watching.